Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry tips and tricks.
Arrange the following metals in which they displace each other from the solution of their salt: aluminium, copper, iron, magnesium and zinc. So you have to arrange this metal in their order of reactivity, decreasing order of their reactivity, which means the most reactive metal have to come first and the least reactive metal have to come at the end. Like that you have to arrange this element. For that purpose, what we need? We need the reactivity series. Then only you can solve this, okay? Here I have given the reactivity series which include all the metals given in the question. Okay, now for solving this, for arranging the metals, you must know this hint. Better metal or active metal will have less reduction potential. Lesser the reduction potential, higher will be the reactivity of the metal. So between two metals, you want to identify which one is a better metal, which one is a reactive metal. What you have to do? Check which one have lesser reduction potential. That will be a better metal. Keep that point in your mind. Now, which all metals are given in the question? Aluminium. Check it from the list. This is aluminium, okay? Copper. See, here you can see copper. Then iron, Fe. You can see here Mg. You can see Mg here. Zn. You can see Zn here, right here. Now, as per our hint, the one which have least reduction potential, highest negative value means least value, right? See, the one which have least reduction potential will be the best metal. So, which is the best metal? Of course, magnesium. Okay, so our first member is magnesium. Then which one? See, second member is aluminium. Then which one? Zinc. Correct, right? Then which one? Iron. Then which one? Copper. Hope all of you understand. So, the most reactive metal is magnesium and the least reactive metal is copper. Now, we can say like this. Magnesium can displace aluminium, zinc, Fe and copper from their solution. Aluminium can displace zinc, Fe and copper from their solution. Zinc can displace Fe and copper from their solution. Fe can displace copper from their solution. Hope all of you understand. A more reactive metal can displace a less reactive metal from their solution. That is the basic idea. Hope all of you understand.